Hello, my name is Dr. Dana Myers, and I am going to be your instructor for EDU 222, Introduction to Exceptional Learners. I'm looking forward to this semester with you. I want to let you know that learning begins on day one, and you will need to get the book for this course. You can buy the book at the bookstore or rent it at the bookstore, or I've heard that you can get it online for as low as $20. This book is a great resource for you to have in your library if you're going to be a teacher. It's also one that I've heard that if you're going to be a special education teacher, that's used to study for the special education test that you'll have to take. As I said, learning begins on day one. Please start thinking about what you want to share with the class for a bio, and make sure that you're there ready to learn on day one. I look forward to seeing you, and we're going to have a great semester together.